Hello, my name is Dr. Linda Veltri, and I'm Associate Professor and Director of Nursing here at NCU. Welcome to your Nursing Capstone course. You will find that this course is organized to follow the research project in that you will identify an issue or problem, review the literature and other background information, design and implement something to address the issue or problem, and then engage in evaluation of your project. All of your course assignments will lead you through this process, and by the end of the semester, you will have all the information you need to complete your signature assignment. As you peruse the course syllabus and Beacon Learning website, you will note this course is very different from the other RN to BSN courses you have taken so far. For example, this course runs the entire length of the semester and is organized into 8 units. Each unit is 2 weeks long. The purpose for this is to provide sufficient time for you to develop, implement, and evaluate a project aimed at addressing a health issue or problem that you have identified. In this course, you'll have opportunity to work independently and yet collaboratively with your project liaison and your course faculty to design and implement a project. As in other courses you have taken, there are specific assignment due dates for the 2 papers you will write and the 3 forms that you will post to, as well as your final signature assignment. However, the work that it takes to move your specific project forward each week is variable and will require you to be motivated, self-directed, and to assume leadership for doing what needs to be done. Given this, it can be easy to put capstone on the back burner when things get busy with other coursework, family, and work. Please keep in mind that you should plan to devote 4 to 5 hours each week to this course, and I encourage you to mark time out on your calendar for this course, for the work of your project, and other course assignments. Doing so will help you stay on track. As you review the course syllabus, you'll note that one of your assignments is to create a project timeline. I encourage you to be realistic and very detailed when you're creating this timeline, and to keep it handy so that you will know each week what it is that you're to accomplish, and thus keep your project moving forward. Please take time to review the documents posted under the Course Resource tab in Beacon Learning, and I have this here in the background for you to look at while I'm talking. Here you're going to find 3 documents that I've asked you to make sure that your project liaison sees. This is the student roles and responsibilities, the project liaison roles and responsibilities, and the faculty roles and responsibility documents. These are very important because they outline what each of us are going to do in terms of partnering to move your project forward and to help you be successful in this course. So please email or download, print off, and make sure that your project liaison gets a copy of each one of these documents. And I thank you for helping me get the word out to your project liaisons. These documents are important because they clearly outline what it is that each one of us are responsible for as we partner together to complete your capstone project. And indeed, this is going to be a collaborative partnership from multiple sources. I am pleased that the CINAHL database has been added to the NCU library specifically to support nursing. Please note that the new PowerPoint has been uploaded here entitled Using CINAHL Effectively. NCU's instructional librarian has done a great job of updating this video and giving you step-by-step, very detailed instructions about how to create and launch a search for the types of literature that you're going to need to inform your project. So please take some time to look at this. It's going to be very informative to you. Please also don't hesitate to use the intralibrary loan feature that NCU has to offer. I just used this feature last week and it worked really slick to retrieve an article. So again, don't limit yourself to just what you can immediately download. The intralibrary loan process will widen your search and it will be very, very useful to you. I think it took less than 48 hours for me to get the article that I wanted, and it was delivered directly to my desktop. So pretty slick. You can see that we have our APA resources available to you. And then I also have uploaded a TaskStream troubleshooting guide. In the past, some students have had a great deal of trouble uploading their final signature assignments, etc., to TaskStream. So I created this document to give you some troubleshooting ideas to try if you can't upload your final signature assignment to TaskStream. So please take a look at this guide and follow some of the steps that I have outlined there if you can't upload your signature assignment to TaskStream. It's really, really important that all assignments get uploaded to TaskStream because TaskStream serves as a data repository, and I use data from TaskStream, specifically your signature assignments, to inform the RN to BSN annual program assessment. So it's important that everyone upload to that we have robust data to guide this assessment that I do annually for the university. So please, please, please don't just email it to your faculty and then log off for the weekend. Please look at this guide if you're having trouble. Give me a call, give TaskStream a call. Do everything you can to upload your signature assignment to TaskStream so that it can be counted as our program assessment. And I thank you for taking that extra step. Let's see, what else do I have for you? I think that's it. So don't hesitate to reach out to me or to your course faculty as questions or concerns arise. And we look forward to a great semester. Thank you.